Anushka, can you explain how unity in diversity enhances the quality of teamwork?
The answer to your first question is that unity in diversity certainly enhances the quality of teamwork. This is because unity in diversity creates the development of bonding and trust among the people. This ultimately results in significantly increasing the rate of completion of projects.
Another question to you, Anushka, is that why India is the perfect example of unity in diversity?
India is certainly a brilliant example of unity in diversity. This is because India has people of different castes, sects, religions, etc. Above all, these people have been living together peacefully for many centuries.
Thank you, Anushka, for answering my previous two questions. Now, can you answer my one more question? That is, what is unity without uniformity and diversity?
It is a concept of unity without uniformity and diversity without fragmentation that shifts focus from unity based on mere tolerance of physical, cultural, linguistic, social, religious, political, ideological and or psychological differences towards a more complex unity based on an understanding that difference enriches human interactions.